started my day at 1 o'clock at 1:30, and we are stopping for some breakfast come lunch, and it's going to be breakfast time. The McDonald's, yeah, I can ask. Breakfast. We're taking a chicken cheeseburger and a chicken crispy burger. This chicken burger and this is crispy chicken burger. This is really good. Chicken crispy and cheese. Sorry, what else can I eat it? We'll describe it. So babies, our day was very hectic yesterday. And that's why I couldn't shoot much. But today I will tell you what happened yesterday in some time. Now we are so hungry because last time we didn't eat dinner also. Today we didn't eat breakfast also and directly lunch. This is lunch. This is not lunch, but we are so hungry. Actually we are at the McDonald's in Chin Osaka station. Very hungry. So babies, I'm eating another half more burger. You won't believe it. It's so cheap here at McDonald's. I bought 3 burgers for like 500 yen. That approximately is about 330 Indian rupees. I'm taking one more half of another burger. So then my mom only has to carry the other burger. Why? Very good. Better than what we get in India. So now we are in the station, the Shinkansen. So we are planning now to go to the information counter and check out, we want to go to Dotonbori. So let's see, my pronunciations must be really shit, but just bear with it. So we just got some information from the information counter. It says that you have to go to the substation, and then there is a substation there, I think. And then from there we take the train to Namba for Dotonbori. Yeah, so that's all we're going to do now. And let's see what happens. We took our ticket. This is 280 yen to Namba. Me and my mom got 2 separate tickets. Train is come, I guess. They helped us in getting the tickets because I couldn't really do it myself. Hey mummy, how was that train experience? Where are you looking? Look over here at the camera, not at me. So now we are off to Namba. We are the train. It will take, I think, another 5 minutes. This is the 7th station. So we just got down and now we have to go to exit 14 number to exit into Dotonbori. Let's see, everyone is really helpful at the station. Like, that's lucky for us. Got out of the station. Now we are going to Dotonbori. Food out here. It looks really good. But how much are we going to eat?
outside Daiso, there was a lot of crowd at this place, so we thought of going out here and checking it out. It's so yum, and at 260 yen we got quite a lot of stuff. I really liked it. Crispy chicken, like really crispy chicken.
What rush out here? Must be really famous. How is it? How is it?
Nice.
I put a lot of sauces like lemon and garlic and sweet chili sauce. Let me have it. Let me tell how it is. Really crunchy, really crispy, yummy. I love this gap. Y'all can see. So I'm back in McDonald's. We have ordered for hot coffee. I've ordered for some hot water, which is oh my god, it's boiling hot water. The cold water we have. And this is choco pie with chocolate stuff. We don't have this in India. So I am back for some snack in McDonald's. I bought this to cover my neck because I'm really feeling super cold outside. Right now it's warm. And we're just snacking on. I don't know how this vlog is going to be because we're hardcore traveling and I'm not sure like what's going to happen. But yeah, I'm still recording. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. See this one, San Kaku Chocolate Choco Pie Black. I'm going to just show you in some time what it is. See, this is my new chain I got from Viro Moda. It's like a puff and I think solid hot chocolate inside it. It's good for the climate out here. Sweet. I'm quite good. Not sure. But one second. Wait a minute, wait. I'm going to record when you do it. How is it?
Very chocolatey.
Very chocolatey. And I love anything which is chocolatey. You don't like it? But I like it, okay? It's too chocolatey, but yeah, chocolate lover will understand. Look at the chocolate. I asked for some hot water. Love hot water. So now what we are planning to do is we're planning to go back to the hotel, keep all our shopping bags there because it's quite heavy, and then come back again out. And I really want to show my outfit of the day. Let's see if the light is there because it's quite dark now. But what's the time? It's going to be 5 and it's quite dark outside. It's past 5.
So this is a glimpse of my outfit. My shoes was from Dress Mode, jeans from Olney, my top is from the latest winter collection Vero Moda, and this is a chain from Vero Moda again, and what's on my neck is from a shop named Daiso in Japan.
So I just booked my tickets to Tokyo. That's a bullet train. I booked it from here. They were so helpful. They explained everything to me in detail. So I just booked my Bullet Express. So I just booked my train to Tokyo, which is really expensive. It's a bullet train, reserved seats, which will be later on, but I just did prior booking to be safer. And now we are in the railway station, just doing time pass, checking out where to eat dinner. That's all, right? That's why we are here, no? And yeah, because we have been eating from the past 2 days McDonald's, and I don't think we should eat any more McDonald's because that's more than enough. Our McDonald's of Japanese ka quota is over. So let's see now where else we can eat. We are in 7-Eleven now. This is a convenience store.
Wanna buy these masks?
I can buy one. Wanna buy? There will be makeup stuff also.
What is this cake? Some sandwich type of thing.
See here, rice wise and all is there. I want to try the tofu fry. You know, when I planned to come to Japan, I was doing a lot of research, obviously, and I came across this Pablo cheesecakes, and yes, I had to try it when I'm here, and I found it. It is behind me. I'm going to take you there. This is the famous one.
Yes.
What is this called? The cheesecake. Pablo cheesecake.
Yes.
And what is the difference? What is this?
Medium is soft and rare is creamy.
Oh wow. Okay, this is soft and this is creamy. Okay,
Yes.
I'll have one of this. How much is this?
850 yen.
850 yen. Chemist. Pharmacy and see La Rose, Posai, quite a lot out here. Even Nivea has a Vaseline, all different types. I've never seen like this. Stop for dinner now. Let's see.
This is soba and tofu, fried tofu, really yummy. So babies, I've just got done with removing my makeup, which is a big task because the plum kajal takes a lot of time to get out. And now I'm editing the video and I'll upload it very soon. And I hope it looks so scary. Yeah, and I'll upload it and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.